Everybody come out quick! Look at the lights! Everybody rushes out when the lights come on. The house lights up in bright colors and everyone just stands there, a little stunned by it. But with all that sparkle, the meter is the first thing we should check. A set of 100 mini incandescent bulbs uses about 40 watts. So a 6-foot tree with 600 bulbs ends up around 240 watts. If it stays on for 6 hours a day through December, the cost is about $7.90. And that's just for one tree. Now here's the part that really matters. A quick subscribe before we continue helps a lot. For outdoor LEDs, 10 strands of 100 LEDs each use about 5 to 10 watts per 100. That means more than 70% savings compared to incandescents, and sometimes even 80 to 90% depending on the product. In the movie, Clark put up 25,000 bulbs on his house. If all of those were incandescent, that's about 10,000 watts and roughly $330 for the month. No wonder the meter went wild. But with LEDs, the same 25,000 bulbs use around 1.75 kilowatts, bringing the December bill to about $58. That makes holiday lighting much easier to enjoy, and there's still room to save more. Use 5mm micro LEDs instead of C9s, set a timer, or decorate just the highlight areas instead of the entire house. Same lights, much lower cost. Happy holidays!